Hi, my name is Martin Peltier, and in this video I will show you how to log in to your Office 365 account if you're using a computer that is not yours, or if you're using a computer that is being shared by many people in the house, many students from different environments. For example, someone who's going to university, someone who is a teacher, and someone who is a student in the public school system. So one thing, one reason why you would want to use a private browser or an incognito browser is that if, let's say, mom has a computer and the computer is, let's say, in the living room. And Johnny, the son who's going to university, has an Office 365 account. He goes into Google, Chrome, logs in, go to office.com, and then when he goes and finishes, he signs out. Well, sometimes it doesn't sign out properly. So if Johnny went there and then Skylar goes in, who's a grade 6 student, and tries to log in, he won't be able to log in because it still remembers Johnny's credentials. Okay, so that's why it's important to use a private browser so that you don't go into someone else's account or someone else doesn't go into your account. Okay, so how to do that? So I just opened Google Chrome browser. So the way you would do it is you would go on the right side, there's three dots, and I would open new incognito window, and now you're incognito. So to log in, you type in office.com, and see here it doesn't remember my account, it doesn't remember my credentials, it doesn't even remember that I have an account. So you would go to sign in. So the student would put in the first three letters of his first name, the first three letters of his last name, five numbers usually, and then they would put in um, the nbss.nbed.nb.ca, and then you press next and you would be logged in. So now I'll do the same thing with the Microsoft Edge browser. So the other browser that I want, and as soon as I close it, it doesn't remember anything, any credentials. I don't have to sign out, it doesn't even remember you. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna go in Edge, and I'm gonna click on the three dots again. So this one's called New in Private Window. So when I click on New in Private Window, you can see on the top left corner that I'm in private. I'm gonna type in office.com, and then I go in. Same thing, it doesn't even remember me, so I need to go in and sign in again. I have to put in first three letters of my first name, first three of my last name, five numbers, at nbss.nbed.nb.ca, and then next, and you're signed in. Uh, the uh, the other thing that is the same as Chrome, as soon as you press the X, it exits you out of your environment, of your session. So it doesn't even remember you. Hope you enjoyed and have fun with Office 365.